Alright, for those of you who don't know, I am Matt, and I'm making a distorted Neuro Reese Bass, and if you want to learn how to make this sound today, then stick around for the video. Hey, what's up guys? We are now working with the Synth Cookbook recipe number 4. We're going to be making a distorted Reese Bass today. We're going to be using Phase Plant, we're going to use 2 saw oscillators as our ingredients, we're going to FM or warp modulate them, and we're going to add a bandpass filter with some heavy distortion. Alright, let's get to it. We got an instance of Phase Plant open. Let's get 2 saws. Now let's do the FM. Okay, we've got a good start. We've got our FM. It's already sounding crazy. We haven't even done anything to it yet. Okay, let's take a look at our recipe. This is use a bandpass filter and then heavy distortion. So let's check out a bandpass filter. Bandpass filter and some distortion. Next up, we've got, start with detuned saws. Okay, let's do some EQ. Right, let's add some movement to the filter. Let's do an envelope. Let's make a long attack. Add some movement to the filter. Get some drums going behind it. But let's distort it some more. Interesting. Wave folding. There we go. course, we can just do some other stuff to it too. We can have a filter. There we've got two different sounds out of the same bass.
Look. Tell my baby Laura you won't wait too long. No label, got my army getting it buzzing. Out there trying to make sense,